How to install SEO SMO manager in WHMCS powered by network hosting group. So you need to purchase it from here. After purchasing, go your product and services, click on your SEO SMO manager product. You can download your setup from here. After complete download, you will get it. Now extract it. After extraction, you got three files. One is license file, that's ELA, then readme file, and another is SEO SMO manager 3.1. it's your version. This latest version is 3.1. After download, go on your cPanel, we're going here, type our port number, log in with your credential. After the login, go in the file manager, then in public_HTML folder, upload your download package here. Okay, this is your extract files. Select your SEO SMO manager from here. After complete upload, again go back to the public_HTML folder and reload it. Scroll down and search your SEO SMO manager. Select it and extract. You can extract it by right clicking on it, right click and extract. After extraction, make sure your extraction is complete. For cross checking, go in the modules, add-ons. See, your SEO SMO manager should be there. Okay, now log in your WHMCS admin panel. Go in the setup and add-on modules. You'll see your SEO SMO manager here. Click on activate. Now your module is successfully activated. Now click on the configure. You need a license key. It should be there in your panel from where you download your setup. Select this license key, copy and paste it here, and should be access full administrator. You can also provide the access to the support operator and sales operators. Depend on your choice. Save. After applying your license key, you got the more options in the configuration file. Has your company name, put your company name. For example, we are providing the DS CAM texting services. Your Twitter name. Right now we don't have any Twitter name, so we are bypassing this. Here you can put your Facebook ID and Google site verification code for verify the site in webmaster tool, and the default social media image. This is the default image to sharing your product with the another social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, but just leave it same as it to show you the module. Okay, now after it, you got the option SEO SMO manager in add-on option. Right now it's empty because there's no URLs here. You're not putting any SEO details for any page. So first of all, we check our current SEO details. We open our home page, the bscan.com. For checking, we go to the web.com. It's only just sub checker tool, major title tool. Okay, copy your URL and paste. Now currently my website Google search details is there. My title this, URL this, and there's no description, same as our current version. Now we want to put its SEO details. For this, we copy the URL, go in SEO option, add a new SEO, put the page name. This is our home page. Put here the URL. After put the URL, put the SEO details like title, web hosting services, cheap, put it cheap domains, and VPSs. Scan. Okay, it suggests us the character length that right now is 53 is sufficient for us. As we put the web hosting, put the keywords like web hostings, VPS, dedicated servers. Now put the description. DScan offers the dedicated cheaper web hosting service across the world. Registrar for domain registrations. Okay, this is our description. Canonical, if you are this is canonical, for example this is normal, but we are putting the index.php is the same URL, means two pages with the different URL. You can put the canonical from here. Robot means robots, you want to apply the robot configuration like index follow, index no follow. There is all four options there. Your social media image, if you want to put any image, you can put here any other website image like hosting images. It's better if you use your own images, but if you don't have your own, you can use another. Copy image address, put it here. Page type, it's leave it blank. You can use it website. If this is the article, you can put it article and save. Now it's going to save. After save, see, before applying this here, our title is the portal home. Now it's our new portal. Now check it again, same URL, preview. Now it should be in your new details, like it's providing the title, keyword and descriptions is always there. And you can see this this measurement can help you to put the correct URL and description without exceeding the limits. Okay, this is the normal basic things. Now we're going to another options for the add-ons configuration, which we'll leave that before. Again, go on the configure. Now there is an option is the social sharing. See, there is a website, there is no social sharing option. Now we are putting the enable the social sharing, and the option is type. There's two types, there's sharing and one is connect. We want to put the sharing options. We put it at sharing, save. We just choose these options. Now refresh your page. You can see there's a sharing options there. You can share your products on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and WhatsApp also. This is the sharing options. When you share this page, it's already goes the all details with the sharing informations. Okay, if you want to choose it's a connect us links, means you want to choose these links as a connect your social pages. You get on the save. When you put it on connect, go again SEO SMO manager, and you can get another option is there, that is social connect. Put your social profiles here For example, we put the network hosting profiles here, and for example another profiles which want to go save, we're putting only Facebook. Okay, we leave 3 blank. Now see again your home page. Now your social sharing options should be gone and only connecting option is there. We put only Facebook, that's why only Facebook is there. If you put any another, like we putting the Pinterest and save, going to save. Refresh, you got the both options, Pinterest and Facebook. You can click it and directly go on your Facebook pages. It's your connecting links. So this model provide you the social sharing option and also social connecting options, including your SEO details of your pages. And you can disable any page for like from here. See, when you disable it, all settings for this links is disabled. For example, your title is there, but when you disable it, it's not working for these titles. Okay, you can enable it. If you want to temporarily block any SEO details for any page, and you can put more URLs there. For example, this is my announcement page. See, this is only announcement title dscan. Let's see its description right now. See, there's only this title. This now we put the same thing. We need to add, put the here announcement page, put your URL here. The title for this page means latest announcements announcements for servers and promos. I will put the again dscan for .com. We put this title and keyword as you want to. This is like only announcement, offers, like that. Here your description. Here you can get the latest information of maintenance period. Maintenance period for servers and latest offers. And you can go in this on link. If there is any canonical, you can put it. If you robots, social media, if you want, there is nothing, you can leave it. It's an article. Okay, now save. Now refresh it. See, our data is gone. Now check our latest same preview for the same details. See, our latest information is updated. So this is SEO SMO models powered by WHMCS and developed by the network hosting group. Now hope you enjoy this.